In your spot. That was nice.
Yep. Okay, look at your rotation. You should be in the last rotation. Working on your worksheets or your flashcards or your roll and read. Okay, we are going to get started. We're going to do some review because last week, we're finishing up last week. And you guys have been working on CE and GE. And when they say, find something else, figure it out, figure it out. Working on CG and, no, CE says S and GE says J. Good job. So let's work on a few of those words. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, so let's write the word. I'm glad you remember that. Let's try a hard one. Are we ready? Let's try strange. We may not have enough boxes, so we may have to put some more in there. So, strange. So, listen to it, tap it out. St-r-a-n-g. So, write it. I don't want you to look at mine. I want you to try it first, and then you can look at mine after. St-r-a-n-g. Stir-a-n-g. And then what goes at the end? And how do we make the j sound?
G-I or G-Y?
What's most common at the end?
G-E.
G-E, that's the most common at the end. So if you're not sure, once you think you're done, look at my board. Look at my board, see if you have the same thing I have. St-r-a-n-g. Nice job. Yeah, good job. You saw it was backwards. Way to go, Itzia. Okay, erase it. Let's do magic. Magic.
Eraser.
Magic. Here, eraser's right there. Magic. Ooh, how do we do that one? What's our sounds? Is it really a J we're working with? Is it? G. What can it be? It can be G-E, G-I, G-C, or G-E, G-I, G-Y.
What was the word again?
Magic. Ick. So listen to what you hear. Magic. And then what's the last sound? Okay, solve it. You can always put it in the book hospital if you're not wanting to just keep it in the spot. Nope, but you're close. It's tricky. I told you there's not many words that end that way. M-A, magic.
Now I got it.
I-G-I-C. There you go. Yep, that's a hard one. That's a really hard one. Okay.
There we go.
Let's do mice. Mice.
Okay.
Remember, we're doing the G-E and C-E. Mice. 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 Daniela, please make sure your voice is at the level it's supposed to be at. Mice. How do we spell mice? Oh, nope. When we see S-E together, what sound does it make? Z. We want to say so. What makes? Yep, except they would be in the same box. But yes, you have the right idea. There you go. There you go. Okay, erase it. Let's do age. What is your age?
I know that.
Age.
But if you had
Age.
a G in it at the beginning, it'll be gauge.
Yes, so how do you spell gauge and then just leave off the G? You got it. You know our friends' names in our class. Good job. How do we write age? Remember, when j is at the end of a word, it usually always ends in either a GE or GY. Usually GE. Yep, you got it. Yep, you got it. Okay, next one. Are we ready? This one's going to be a hard one because it has another lesson that we've learned. City. City.
That's easy.
So we've got our regular that it's supposed to be, but then 2 syllables when it ends in E. Nope, it's not.
Oh wait, it's
Sit. T.
what? T-Y?
T-Y. Good job. T-Y. So, sit. Sit. E. Nice job. Okay. Let's do rice. Rice. I like to eat rice with my chicken. Rice. Rice.
Like panda.
You wrote rise. Like I like to get up in the morning and rise early. So rice. There you go. You fixed it. What says and
Like this?
Yep. Good job. Okay, one last word. Ready? Place. What place is your favorite place to go? What is your favorite place to go? Pull a little. Nope. You wrote plaque. Give me place. No, close. You wrote place. Place. Give me place. So A has to say its name. What makes A? You wrote palace. Palace. We want place. Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. Ace. Good job. Lowercase letters, remember, we don't want to see any capital L's. That's in the middle of a word. Okay, I want you to pull out your story right here. We are going to read it. It is lesson 17. Lesson 17. Lesson 17. We've got our long vowel silent E's that we're reading. Lesson 17. Working. So figure out what you do have. You have the 1 minute time test. You can read those.
Is it the one that we were working on?
Yes. 17 right here. Turn it over. Here we go. Get your paper out. 17. Let's read it. I want you reading to yourself and then I'm going to listen in. So, Gabby, go ahead and start. Remember, use that whisper voice so the others can read theirs. Nice job. Table 2, please lower your voices. Daniela, 4 on the floor. Or you'll have to change your chair.
I have lesson 17 for these two.
Yep, that's it. Open it up. Start reading to yourself. Nice job. Okay, read it to me right here. Start at the top. I'm sorry, bring yours up here. Let's go. Read it out loud to me, Ithia. I want want you to go ahead and get your pencil here and start matching these. Remember, those are rhyming words. Oh, let's look at that one again. This has an I. This is two E's. So what would this be? Long silent E. Long vowel silent E. These. Remember, SE says Z. These. Read this to yourself until Miss Smith has you read it out loud to me. Nice job. Go ahead and do these sentences and fill in the words.
Said Mom, we will drive to see Miss Rose. She has the pet cat.
Fun time,
Said
Mom.
said that we are here at
Give this
It's okay. Yep.
wait, I'm right here.
Yeah. Pet home, her home.
Jan, it will be fun. It will be fun. Said Mom, I am glad that you
Trinity, to your desk.
have a safe home, said Rose. What is the
Dudes.
name? Jan said. Miss Rose.
Okay, go ahead and match these words
Is it
that are
pet?
rhyming.
Pet?
Look at it. It's E silent E. So it's Mommy E. Say your name.
Pete?
Yes, Pete.
Jane.
Yeah. So come down here and match these with the rhyming words across from it. So dude rhymes with, look at the other side, lame, dome, line, rude. Dude rhymes with, so you're looking for that same ending vowel. Yeah, so dude rhymes with, what does dude rhyme with, Itzia? Look at the other words, lane, dome, line, rude. Which one is it? Dude and rude. You got it. Dude and rude. Jane and, yep, Jane and Lane. Jane and Lane. You have the right word, but you gotta say it right too. Lane. Jane and Lane. Home and, home and, what did you put with home?
Home
and Dome.
Nice job. Time and line. Good job. The cat's name is, what is the cat's name? Who remembers in the story?
Me.
Pete. Pete's the cat. That's right. So use the words at the top right there. There's your words to spell. He will be dude, safe, or time. He will be, what word goes there? He will be dude, safe, or time. Pete's the first one. He will be what? He will be dude, safe, or line. Time. He will be safe. Yes. It is blank to get the cat. It is, what did you say? Time. It is time to get the cat. And that leaves the last word for last sentence. Make sure it makes sense. Her cat is a rad. What's the last word? Dude. Her cat is a rad dude. Good job. Okay, you need to clean up for this rotation. Okay, here we go. We're on to our last part. Yep, let's go back and let's do a couple of sentences. Are we ready? We're going to use some of the words we did.
I like the little heart.
Okay,
The heart's cute.
he has a magic act. He has a magic act.
Act or
act.
act?
He does a magic act. So he does a magic act. Let's do that one. He, remember it's the beginning of a sentence, so what do we need to do?
I can use that.
He does, new word, does
New word.
a and then we have that word magic that we just practiced. Magic. He does a magic act. He does down. Yep, donut on a stick. There you go. You got it. Does a magic. Magic act.
Wait, let me see.
Nope, let's keep going. Act. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, this is for you? Okay, I want you to sit right there and get it filled out. Thank you, and then you can head back to your class.
A magic.
Magic act. He does a magic act.
I like it.
Now what goes at the end of our sentence?
Period.
Good job. Check yours, see if it looks like mine. He does a magic act. New word. Yep, you gotta slide that over and make a word. Finger space in the middle. There we go. Good job. And then the end of a sentence has?
A period.
Good job. Erase your board. Let's do one more.
And then we're going to Big Daddy. Wait, and then we get the treasure box. Or
Here we go. Here we go. The mice eat cheese. Ooh, we got some harder ones in there we've been working with. The mice eat cheese. How do we start a sentence? Capital letter. Finger spaces between our words. The mice eat cheese. Let's keep going. The mice. Walk around, please, over here. Oh, you don't have it done yet? Okay, finish it. The mice. How do we spell mice? That's another one of those. The mice eat cheese. Eat. That's that long E. Long E sound. Okay, what were we doing wrong in class?
Be bad.
What choice were you making? You wrote to behave, but what's making a smart decision? You said you were talking and interrupting with others. Keep going. The mice eat cheese. How do we spell eat?
What an 8? I'm not.
Behave. That's what you wrote. But what were you doing wrong? It says talking and interrupting others.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what do you need to do when you go back in the room?
Don't talk.
Okay, but instead of don't, we are going to say what we are going to do. Be quiet. Good job. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, that's what Mrs. Johns is going to be looking for you to be quiet. Today is the 1st. There we go. Okay, my initials. Head on back to your class. Make sure you go in super quietly. Don't interrupt. Thank you very much, sir. The mice eat cheese. Ooh, nice job, you guys. You got eat. Way to go. Eat. Last word. Ch. Make sure you've got finger spaces. Eat. Ooh, I like that you guys knew that it was the EA, not the EE. Now think of cheese. Ch, ch, ch. Ch, ch, ch. That's our blends. Ease. So, E, yep, but what goes up? E, there you go. S and E. There you go. And what goes?
S makes it Z.
The SE makes the Z. Yep, and the E is the long. Okay, so what goes at the end of our sentence?
Period.
Nice job. You guys did a great job with that one. Let's try one more. That was a really hard one. I want you guys to try one more, and then as soon as you're done, we will erase our boards and we'll be done. Okay? Okay, the last one we're going to do is...
box.
Yep. Okay, the last one that we're going to do is... He has a huge hat. He has a huge hat. He... Oh, starting our sentence. How do we always start our sentence? Look at your paper. See if you've got it. He has a huge hat. See what you can do, and then you're going to check it against mine. He has a huge hat.
He has
a huge hat. Make sure you got your finger spaces, and then you've got the ending to your sentence. He has a huge hat. Huge. How do we spell huge? Huge. Ooh. Yeah, because that makes that silent. Mommy E makes the U say its name. Nope. Yep, there you go. Good job. Okay, he has a huge hat. Now what happens at the end of our sentence?
Period.
Yes. Or you could put an exclamation point, because when we say huge, we mean big, huge hat, right?
Like, it's
huge. That's right. Good job. Does yours match mine?
Yes.
Finger spaces between your words. Yes. Okay, you guys are good. Erase your boards, and then let's head back to our